Hi! I thought, seeing as it's coming up to New Year, that it would be nice to play Auld Lang Syne. And to start with, we will just sing through. So let's sing through it together. I'll put the words up on the screen. And I think we'll sing a little bit lower than the version that I'm going to teach you on the violin so that we can get up to the top notes. Here we go. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot for the sake of Auld Lang Syne? For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for the sake of Auld Lang Syne.